say it was like I was on my some personal project and also some transfer and all internet issues. Now I have connected to my Wi-Fi perfectly. Now all the speed and all is coming perfectly like 200 Mbps and all. And now it's okay. So that's why I was having a long leave for like 1 month. And as I promised, now we'll learn about a large module, or also you can say after your Python basic journey is the time when you become an intermediate or master. So we will start with Tkinter in Python. So first let's make an this thing uh, file. Let me name it window dot window inter pk, just like pk and then py. You can give any name, but I'm giving an introductory name so it will be more clarified. Let it open, then we start, and today we'll see how to create an like how to create a window in Tkinter, what are the geometries, how to set the size, how to set the you can say colors and all of those stuff. And let's do one thing before we do that, just to say you guys first, like it is inbuilt in Python. Then also, if it is not running in your system, then open a new terminal in your VS Code and just wait for it open and show the path and all. Just wait. Okay. Now you can do is pip install hit enter. I'm not hitting the enter here, but you can do this. Okay, so it will work. Now let me delete this one. You can do this, but mine is downloaded, so I'm not doing. So let's do first. We have to import. So from Tkinter import asterisk. Okay, so you have to do what is it saying from Tkinter, that's the our module, import everything. Okay, if you do instead of write, yeah, wait a second, if you write like this, like import Tkinter in manually, so it will take for everything you do in Tkinter, you have to import it. Better than that, it's just not time saving. So this is time saving, that's why we can use this. Now next, just hit some enters. Now you can give any name to a variable, but it should have an root. Okay, like I can give part dot root. Okay, auto dot root is equals to e cater. First e should be in greater and then tk, and then we can do part okay, leave. This is just introductory. I'm not giving it this much long name. Leave it in root only. That is better. Just don't change the name and all. Those are some stupid things you can do with it. Main loop. Okay. Root dot main loop. Okay. Root dot main loop. Wait a second. I'm coming back again. Hello. Okay, I came back again. So that's it for creating an window. Yes, only in 3 line of code. You can say this is not even a code. In just 2 line of code, we made a window. So let's do it. Let's run it and let's see is it working or not. We need the perfect confirmation that it is working or not. So we need to see our code is worth it or not. So let's see what's going on here. And this is also in playlist. Just access this playlist every day. I promise you that uh, every day uploads will be available in the channel every day, in Sunday, Saturday, every day. And I will finish this course, Tkinter course, within 15 days at least, because for everything in Tkinter we need to write so much code, and doing it at once will be so much heavier. So not like that, we can do it for like in part wise, like in we did in the Python beginners tutorial playlist. We can also make a playlist for this. Just access the playlist. I think so you will be watching from that playlist only, and just watching. Let's see what's happening. Okay, it's loaded. and let's see it's opening or not. Oh, it opened, you can see. But you can see this is a size which I don't want. Okay, so to change the size we can here use geometry. Okay, so let me comment something. Geometry commenting is the best way to uh, make your code more understandable. And geometry, first you have to do is like width into height or height. Yeah, width and x height. Okay, in that method you have to write. And now just do root dot geometry. Geometry. I got this. And just do like this. Then colons quotes, and then you can do whatever size you need. So I want to take 455 x 377. Okay, I need on this thing, this size. Let's see. Uh, okay, it is running. Just wait for it. And guys, one more thing to say. Tomorrow I will upload two videos. One on for the Tkinter regular list. This for Tkinter regular videos will come, and second one for another module known as PyOTJ. And you can see the size is another. You can see now you can just do anything with these numbers as per your screen resolution. For me, this much size is okay, and this is the root dot geometry function. But I can increase it, like I can increase it to 899, not 8, too much big. 655, and here around 577. That will be better. Let's see how much big it's coming or small it's coming. Definitely it will come big. Whatever. Let's go. So remember it, tomorrow two videos will come, one for PyOT GUI. If you are interested in automationing GUIs, then it is good. So you can see it's done. So now one more thing, I don't want my user to minimize his window to this much small. Okay, I need it will minimize for some specific time, like specific width. After that it can't minimize. Okay, so we can use one more function that is known as dot I think so, min size. Yeah, min size is there, and here we use it without quotes. Okay, here we can give like 468. Hello. Yeah, then colon, what can our next value be? 277. Okay, so is the minimum size it can minimize. So let's run it and check is it actually working. So let's see. Yeah, so now if I try to see after a specific time, even if I like click on my mouse hundreds of times, it is not going. Okay, our my mouse will break but it will not go. You can do from this side also, it is not going at all. Okay, you can see. So and actually I am remembering you again, if you want to learn automation GUI, so please watch the video which I'm gonna upload tomorrow. This is mean size. Like that, we can do one more max size. Okay, you saw that we can stretch it also too much dur. So we can do max size. Wait a second. Okay, no need to. I will write it off. Root dot max size, and this also has same syntax as mean size. I'm giving it max size of 77 and 77 as like a square. So now let's see how much we can stretch and how much we can't. So as before you saw that we could like minimize it to like this place, but now we can't minimize. I showed that before only, and now we can't also maximize after a certain time. Okay, we can't maximize after certain time. Okay, or we can't maximize the window size after a certain time. And here also it's your resolution and your wish how and which number you give. And in this course, I think so I have told in some of my videos that we'll learn how to make something like IDE and then calculator. So many things are there we can do with Tkinter, and this is a very useful module, and this is very useful if you're Python beginner, and you should know this module for making good GUIs and giving it to your customer or whatever. So these are some of the functions of window. Tomorrow we'll see about labels and button. I don't think so. Button should be next. Tomorrow we'll see about labels, photos, and how to change the color of our window. We can change the color of our window to colors like green, blue, in RGB value, whatever we'll give. And I want to show you something that is good, and here you can see this is my id.py. If we run it, let's go, we run it. So let's run it. I'm showing it again, and this is too much now, like bit changed also. If you have seen my previous videos, it was like white color, it was writing in odd color. So now it is a bit color change and some more options has been given. So these all things you can make like here. If we do it, let's write like print print hello hello. What is going on here, man? It's not working. Okay, here we go. Print hello world world, and there we go. Now we can run it, and after we run it, you can see here it printed hello world. Okay, again I'm running it, and you can see here it's printing hello world. And we can do undo and redo. Here you saw we can do the undo, and here you saw we can do the redo. We can use the save function here, but I think so we don't need it. So this much is, and it shows no it will show perfectly, but our users should not know about it. So we'll see a solution for it also. So let's not talk about it because it is so much high level. After 15 days, you will know how. Not 15 days. That's too much. I think so. At least, uh, then also 12 days will be needed to make these things. Okay, 12 days and so much more things. Okay, and that's much it for today's video. I just I just spent time in talking only, but these are some functions. Tomorrow we'll see how to change the color of the window, how to add photos in the window, and some more things which I'm not gonna reveal now only. And that's an exercise for you. So the exercise is you have to make a window which geometry should be 4 into 4, and minimum size will be 200, and maximum size will be 1300 by 600. Okay, and the thing is you should do is you have to use this in a class. Okay, and then call it as an object. That's your thing, and I will give all the exercise I am giving. I will give the solutions at the last of this playlist. So let me stop the video recording, and I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial, and wait for tomorrow for so much fun. And there will be a automation tutorial also. If you want, you can check it out. It will be very much helpful in Python automation. Okay, so bye bye.